What you're seeing, guys, this is LYLES jumping around, gyrating, and being hyperactive, playing his mind games as usual. You might think that he is a WWE wrestler, but no, he's not a wrestler. He's just playing his mind games. And at one point, he goes and strikes one of the staff that has been placed in one of the lanes, prompting one of the workers to come and rectify that mess. This was before the race, and it is alleged that he was running with COVID-19 or Corona. And before the race, you can see how he's jumping around. And then after the race, he was on a wheelchair saying that he had Corona. We are not taking this kind of lies lightly. LYLES lies. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm so pleased to have you back. If you have not subscribed to this channel, do me a favor by subscribing. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. In today's video, I'm so happy. As you know, I've always been rooting for Team Jamaica and Africans for most of the medals. And a few days ago, one of the Africans from Botswana, the southern part of Africa, just got a gold in 200 meters men final. Congratulations to Mr. LETSILE TEBOGO. Actually, he has been going through a lot, bearing in mind that this year he lost his mother, and he has been showing up and running most of the races. Like recently, he was before the Paris Olympics, he was in Diamond League, that is in London, and he did well. He has actually been overcoming all the mental stress associated with losing a family member, showing up, and he's really humbled. He's one guy who is humble. Even though there's this video just after clinching the victory, that is gold, he was asked about the face of sprint, and this is what he had to say.
LETSILE TEBOGO. He just won gold in the Olympics in the 200, and in the press conference he was asked, does he aspire to be the new face of track and field? Because he did just beat the person who pretty much is the face of track and field, Noah Lyles, and he had an interesting response, and Kenny Bernard had a little laugh at it too.
I think for me, I can't be the face of athletics because I'm not an arrogant or a loud person like Noah. So I believe Noah is the face of athletics.
So guys, this is the video of what LETSILE TEBOGO had to say. He spoke about Noah Lyles. You know, Noah Lyles, normally he's always active, hyperactive, and to me, I think he always play mind games to his opponents. Like in this case, the finals of 200 men's final Olympics, LETSILE TEBOGO ran a time of 19.46, beating all the rest. This is in fact the first gold medal in 200 meters to come to Africa. It has come as a surprise to many. It has really surprised many, and I say once again, congratulations to LETSILE TEBOGO. Noah Lyles most of the time uses I think psychology. Before running, you'll see him jumping up and going in front of the others, and also being talkative. I think what he is using is what we call the art of war by Shanzu. That is, it is said that when you are weak, you pretend to be strong, and when you are strong, you pretend to be weak. That is why it tends to instill fear on the rest of on all the other competitors. Like in this case, in the final, Noah Lyles was seen jumping around the field in front of other runners and gyrating, putting his hands up, like normally how he does it. And most of the competitors were composed from, most of them were from the USA, and a number of them from Africa. I saw 2 from Zimbabwe and 1 from Botswana. So they were just looking at him. And one thing that I noticed and I really applaud of them is that they didn't get his attention. In such a case, when somebody is playing mind game to you, you don't look at him. You just focus on your thing. So one thing that I'm happy is that they didn't focus on him, and eventually LETSILE TEBOGO turned out to be the winner with a time of 9.46. After winning, Noah Lyles got the third position, that is with a bronze medal. And after the race, he was down. He was at one point he got onto a wheelchair, and it even made fans to laugh at him. And because he's one guy who is very loud, and at some point he spoke ill about NBA. The NBA fans of the USA on the internet came guns blazing towards him, and it was really not good for him. I think he was dismayed for what happened. So I think he played a game by saying that he was having COVID-19. But if he was having COVID-19 and the way he was jumping before the race, jumping, gyrating, being hyperactive, I think he could have saved that energy for the race instead of jumping. And then after getting third position, he starts to coming up with games. We are not buying that. Personally, I'm not buying that. That it is due to COVID-19 that he has got the third position. He has been all over the place saying that he is the best, but LETSILE TEBOGO has proved that, and that anyone can. No human being is limited. We have potential to do great things, and LETSILE TEBOGO has taken the gold medal. I say congratulations to LETSILE TEBOGO, and bearing in mind he has been competing both 100 meters and 200 meters. In 100 meters, he has been showing a sign of improvement in most of the races. He's having a trajectory of that is going up in his time. Before the race, he was having a personal best of 9.88. That is before the Olympics. But after the Olympics, that is in 100 meters, he is now having a personal best of 9.86. You can see how he is improving. And I think the world should also get to pay close attention to this boy and how he is humble. So congratulations, I'm really happy. As always, I've been watching for Africa and Team Jamaica, even though Team Jamaica didn't get to make it to the 200 meters finals, but congratulations. It actually is not that easy. This race is not that easy. Making it to the final, they are good names, but they didn't make it to the final. So congratulations to all who made it to the finals and ran the race. Especially, I'm happy seeing that like in out of 8, 3 Africans were in the race. So congratulations, and to Noah Lyles, I think he should humble himself and stop playing mind games to people. He should humble himself. So thank you guys for staying tuned and watching this video up to this point. If you have not subscribed to this video, please, to this channel, do me a favor by subscribing, and also remember to like this video and share it to some of your friends and partners. God bless you. See you on my next video.